Today we will learn about do, does and did and their uses. Today we will see how to use it in spoken English. We need to know it. Many people don't know its proper use. So today I will try to make it easier for you to understand. Do as auxiliary. Auxiliary verb is called as helping verb. Auxiliary verb is used in many ways, for example, to ask questions, to request and to make negative sentences. In simple present tense, do is used as auxiliary verb when we make negative and interrogative sentences, and did is used in simple past tense. So we should always remember that do and does is used in simple present tense and did is used in simple past tense. When we create interrogative sentence with do, the sentence structure will be like this: do, does, did, plus subject plus main verb. For example, do you love me? Does she like oranges? Do you miss me? Use of do verb in WH question. When we create a question with WH means what, where, which, when, why, how, then the sentence structure will be like this: WH word plus do verb plus subject plus main verb. Why do you ask? What did you buy? Question tag. Many times after saying something, we ask a small question to get an opinion or answer. These small questions are called question tag. This time we use do verb. Question tag is usually used after positive sentence and negative sentence, but it is not used after any question. Let's see some examples. But remember, negative tag is used after positive sentence. For example, she cooks well, doesn't she? Here doesn't she is a question tag and this is a negative tag, but the sentence is a positive sentence. If the sentence is negative, then the positive tag is used. As, he didn't look happy, did he? Here the positive question tag is used because the sentence is negative. It's you have to remember all the time. Do. Do you have any complaints? Do you have any money? Do you hear something? Do you think it's my fault? How do you feel about it? How long do I have to wait? How many kids do you have? I have a lot of work to do. May I do it right now? She forced him to do it. Someone will do that job. What do you do on Sundays? What do you want to drink? What will you do on Friday? When do you usually get up? You must do your best. Does. As I said earlier, do, does is used in simple present tense. If the subject is third person singular number, then does is used instead of do. Does he go to work by bus? Does he speak English? Does he study English every day? Does she play piano? Does this bus go to the beach? Does your dog bite? He does not eat much fruit. How long does it take? How many books does he have? I don't care what he does. I hope it doesn't rain tomorrow. Plastic does not burn easily. What time does school begin? What time does the next train leave? What time does your plane depart? Did. Now we will learn how to use did. Did is always used in simple past tense. Did he tell you the truth? Did you clean your room? Did you finish the job? Did you invite him? Did you say something? He did not know what to say. How did you make it? I wonder why he did that. She did not say anything. What did he say? When did it begin to rain? When did you buy it? Why did this happen? Why did you buy a flower? Why did you come early? Today, I have tried to teach you how to use do, does and did very easily. Hope it will work for you. Now you can use it very easily. Thanks for watching this video. We will meet again with a new topic. Please subscribe to our channel to learn English very easily. Because we regularly come with new English learning videos, if you can share the video with your friends. And of course, comment on how do you like our videos. Or you can let us know by commenting if you need anything help. Stay well and stay with us to learn English.